Hello everyone, Ruby Stardust here, and today I'm doing an unboxing video, which I think it's only like the second one that I've done, so bear with me here if it's a little awkward at times, but this is a little something special I got myself for the holidays. I got it on Black Friday, and it's a brand that I've been following for a little while, and this is my first purchase from them. So they are called Glam Goth Beauty. I started following this brand on Instagram probably about 6 months ago or so, and I've been like, I really like their stuff. I gotta check it out. And the founder, who really she posts a lot of her looks, and she's so gorgeous and so talented. Everything looks perfect on her. And it's one of those things where I've been meaning to pick something up from them, and then I started following her under Glam Goth on her YouTube. I believe her name is Marley, and I really liked her. I liked her philosophy. I like, she's one of those people, like, she has these long form YouTube videos where she's just sitting and doing her makeup and talking. And usually I'm just too impatient to sit through those, but I've sat through several of hers. She just clearly is a really awesome, smart, funny, chill woman that I think everybody's like, oh, I would love to hang out with you, because she just comes across like that. Obviously very talented. This brand has a lot of really cool, makeup, and she has these cute hand mirrors and like knives, which yeah, it's all stuff I love. So anyway, let's get to the unboxing part of this video. So I got this yesterday, and I have been so patient, and I haven't even opened it. I haven't looked or peeked or anything. So this will be legit my initial reactions to everything. And so what I bought was they had an amazing Black Friday sale. So it's kind of like a little set with a bag and a mirror and some makeup and some different makeup inside. And all this makeup line, by the way, is vegan and cruelty free. I know that matters to a lot of people. It matters to me. It's really important. Cruelty free is a big thing for me. I love animals. And I know a lot of you do too. So anyway, I thought I would point that out. But anyway, here goes. And I'm sorry if this fly, I don't know how it got into our apartment, but this fly will keep buzzing by. And my cat does nothing. He's useless. He just sleeps and watches the fly go by. So yeah. Anyway, here goes. I'm cutting the box open with the box cutter. I should have ordered something with one of her knives, and I could cut it open with that. Well, no, because it would be inside. Anyway, okay. Very carefully cutting this. Don't want to cut myself on camera. All right. So, let's see what we have here. Okay. Oh no. I accidentally cut the postcard because it was right on the top. Anyway, this is what she looks like. This is her. Gorgeous. Perfection. And this set, by the way, is called Corpse. And I had seen this look, so I knew it was all related to this sort of corpse bride look that she did. She's so beautiful. It's like, I could put on the makeup I want all day and I won't look like that, I'll tell you. All right, so here it is. This is the bag. Let me take the bag out of the bag. How I love puns, because I'm a dork. Okay. So this is the makeup. Oh, I like this. It's like a velvety makeup bag, and it says Glam Goth on it. It's like embroidered. This is a really nice bag. It's like so velvety and soft. This would be a great like travel bag. All right, so I'm gonna open it up. Oh my God, this thing is like jam-packed. So I got this set with makeup, and I did a brush. Hopefully you can see that. I added on some brushes because I need my brushes. I have a lot of brushes, but they're all old. So this is kind of a nice chance, especially because their Black Friday sale, I believe, was half off. Does it say on the packing slip? I don't know. No, there's no price. It's just Royal Corpse plus brush set. I just love that whole. Okay, so in the top of this too, there's another little zipper and a pouch. I like that because sometimes, like, the lid is an extra opportunity to store stuff, and it's not always taken advantage of. So anyway, and see, and it's clear, so you can see what you have in there. It's clearly very well thought out. So first item, Hollywood Killer Glam Eyelashes. These are, wow. They're beautiful. This would definitely be for performance. I'm not sure I could wear something, but man, these are cool. I know she designs these or makes vegan, synthetic, and cruelty free. I know she's kind of known for her lashes. They look so good on her. Maybe that's the key. Maybe I need bigger lashes. I'm excited to try that. Okay, next is, oh my gosh, there's so much in here. So she has all these different glitters and a special adhesive. This is, one of her kind of unique, I know something that I feel like the brand kind of specializes in from what I've seen. So this is like the adhesive. And I have all these different colors. There's a lot of colors in here. I don't think I realized it was going to come with quite this many. There's 9 different colors in here. I'm just going to pull one out just to kind of see what's up. Hopefully I won't get glitter everywhere. So it has like a little, I like this. It's got like a little stopper. So when you open the lid, it won't just come flying out. I like that because I'm clumsy. I see, so it's in like a little pot so that you can dip your brush in. I'm just gonna, oh, this is like it's very fine. I don't know how you can see that. You probably can't see it. It's really pretty. This is like a blue, a dark blue. I'm gonna have to play with these more later. But let's see, there's like a blue, I don't know if you can see that. It's like a dark blue, and then this is like a white. And then a purple, oh, I like that. That's like a shimmery purple. And a mixed, this is like a silvery blue. I don't know if the lights are making this impossible to see. This is a bigger, oh, this is like a bigger glitter in like blue, like a light blue. Yeah, I'm not sure how well these are showing up. I'm just gonna go through it. Okay. Oh, these are like stars. They're like little glitter stars. I don't know if you can see that very well, but they're little stars. That's really cute. More stars. These are like a little bit of a different sort of silvery. Man, there's a lot. Okay. What a steal. This is another blue. All kinds of variations. I guess the idea is to get you, and then some more. This is like a silvery blue green kind of. I don't know if any of that showed up. Sorry. Okay, so there's all that, which is really cool. This is, oh, I'm pretty sure it's a sponge. I'm just going to open it and just see. Like, it's funny, I don't remember exactly what this would come in here. I'm just like, whatever it comes. Oh yeah, it's a beauty blender. Can always use more of those. Mine just kind of pile up and I just keep getting more, and then I eventually wash them, and then I have just like way a lot. Okay, so here's the brushes. Brush set that came with it. So we'll go through these real quick. Woo! And brushes everywhere. So this is like a little small round flat brush. This is like an angled brush. And then the other end is a spoolie. It's like a little soft tip kind of deal. Very soft, fluffy. Soft and fluffy. And I will be washing these before I use. I don't know if you guys do, but oh, this is very soft. Ooh. You can see that. It's flat. These are nice soft brushes. Clearly the brushes I've been using have not been that soft because I'm impressed. Okay. Oh, this is a big fluffy. Ooh. I think I saw her using this in one of her videos to apply something. No, I don't remember. All right. And they have these cool little, I'm going to save these because these are good for drying your brushes. I've been meaning to pick up something like this for drying your brushes and helping them hold their shape. It's like a fluffy kind of angled brush. I use these for blush. I don't know what they're supposed to be used for, but anyway, okay, so now we have, last item in here is, ooh, the hand mirror. I've also seen her using these in her videos. And I thought, that's cute. I would like one. Okay. get out of all the packaging because it's just gonna be way reflective. So here it is. This is the back, and the front part is a mirror. You can see my setup. Anyway, that's cute. It's so cute. All right, so I believe that is it. So yeah, I think the next thing for me to do would be to do like a look with this stuff. I think that would be next. Oh wait, I missed something. There's a lipstick. Matte liquid death proof matte lipstick. Let me open this and look. The color is Graveyard. Ooh. I like that. It's cool. Try not to. I have a hard time getting these little boxes open without like ripping it. I don't want to do that. I guess I'm gonna have to. It's the only way it's not gonna want to come out. Yeah, I ripped it. Darn. Okay. Get that lipstick out of there. Oh, this is like a oh, it's like a nude. I always love a good nude. So it's that color there at the end. Like a dark nude. I kind of want to try this now, but I've already got lipstick on and it's lip sense. It's not going to come off. So, you know what? Maybe I will. I'll just put it on over it. Let's just see. So anyway, here's my lips now. It's like a very pale pink. I'm just going to put this on over just cause. Why not? I'll be right back. Okay, so I tried the lip. And this is what it looks like. It kind of blended with the pink. I really like it. It goes nice with my eyeshadow today. So there you have it. So that is my unboxing from my Glam Goth. I keep wanting to say Goth Glam. Sorry. Glam Goth unboxing video of my nice little kind of mini haul, I guess you could call it, from their Black Friday sale. So definitely go check them out if you found any interest in any of this stuff. Yeah, I think that's all. If you have any questions or whatever, you can leave a comment below or not. Anyway, hope you all are having a great holiday, and till next time.